This is so good. Oh my gosh. So good. Welcome to Queen's Alchemy. It is our very first Foodie Friday, which is part of the Daily Vibe series, and we're kicking things off with a flavor-packed veggie pizza that's anything but ordinary. But wait, there's a surprise, so stick around because someone very special is joining us in the kitchen today, and trust me, their pizza making skills might just steal the show. The kitchen tools used in this video, like cutting tools, prep gadgets, and cookware, are listed in the description below. As an Amazon affiliate, I earn qualifying purchases. Let's get started. First, we're going to grate up the Miyoko cheese, which is the plant-based mozzarella. Then we're going to add in the sauce, which is the kale pesto and the marinara mixed together. Add it generously to the crust. And in the center here, you'll notice that I made some mini breadsticks. And there you are. And then we're going to add in the cheese, sprinkling generously across the crust. And we're going to add in the spinach. Also add on tomatoes. Now the yellow and red peppers. Red onions. As you see, this pizza is going to be filled with all types of veggies. We have eggplant. Love some eggplant. We also add in broccoli. We're going to add in the olives. And also the bella mushrooms. Now here I've sauteed some mushrooms in some marinade to kind of make them have a pepperoni type taste. And I'm going to sprinkle in some more sauce and drizzle it across the top. There we go. Yes. Now I'm going to add in the Sazón. We're going to add in the liquid mozzarella, Miyoko, cashew cheese, and we're going to now add some pepperoni. Gives it a good zesty taste, and it's so beautiful. Look at there. We're going to add it to the oven on 375 and for 10 or 15 minutes. While it's in the oven baking, I'm going to introduce to you our special guest. Here she is. Welcome. My daughter's getting ready to make her pizza. Say hi, Nova. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Alright, we're getting ready to assemble her own pizza she's going to put together. Pizza bread.
Cheese.
Oh, you want to put your sauce on it first. There you go. And you sprinkle your cheese all around. Alright, now, what else do you want on there? You said spinach? There you go.
Okay.
I want you to make his just like yours.
Don't eat it. Some of them stuck. watching my videos. Thank you. Like and subscribe to Nova Videos.
Gonna put it in the oven?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go put it in the oven. We're getting ready to put it in the oven. I got it. Thank you for your help, Nova. I'm gonna stick it right under there.
Yeah, I was scared.
Alright, it's hot. Look at grandma's. Ooh, wee. Looking good. Now it's time to remove the pizza from the oven. It looks so good. We're going to slice it up. After slicing it, we're going to go ahead and serve it up and see how it tastes. Homemade vegan veggie pizza. Let's taste. Bon appetit. Mmm. Mmm. It's delicious. Here's the finished product of my grand princess's pizza. Okay, young lady, would you go ahead and taste your pizza and tell me what it tastes like?
It tastes so good.
It's good. What would you give it?
A yes.
A yes? A thumbs up? Thumbs up. Please watch my other videos. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace and love.